Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hi to Tech World. Today we are going to start a new playlist about what are the basic concepts of AWS. Basics of AWS that you should know before starting AWS, starting your career in AWS, or if you want to work in AWS, you should know these concepts. Okay guys, in this playlist there will be 5 to 6 videos, okay, in which I'm going to explain you all the basic concepts. What is cloud computing? What are the advantages and disadvantages of AWS? And what is the introduction to AWS? How AWS started? A lot of things. So let's move on to the introduction, guys. Introduction of AWS. Okay. So what is AWS? Okay. So in 2006, Amazon Web Services AWS started to offer IT services to the market in the form of web services, okay, which is known as cloud computing with AWS. Okay, so what is AWS? AWS is Amazon Web Services. By the name itself, it specifies that they are providing us some web services or web servers. Okay, so yeah, with AWS, we need no not plan for servers and other IT infrastructure which takes up much of the time in advance. Instead, the servers EC2 instance can instantly spin up hundreds or thousands of servers in a minute. Okay, so if you are using AWS, the best advantage of using AWS is if you want to spin 20 instances, you can spin 20 instances at any time. You should not make a plan or share that plan to the data center, and then data center will forward your plan to the server providers. Okay, in previously when AWS was not there, at that time what usually used to happen was we used to make a plan of all the requirements, and then we used to send those requirements to a data center. And then a data center will send that detail to a servers providers. Okay, it can be Dell or HP. Okay, and then they will set up the servers in the data center for you. So it takes approx 1 to 2 months or even more than that based on our requirements. But in AWS, we can spin hundreds or thousands of instances in minutes. Okay? And the best part is we pay only for that we use. If we have used 20 servers for 10 hours, we have to only pay that amount of the instance cost for those 20 hours. That's it. No rent cost for the server, no rent cost for the data center, nothing. So this is the main advantage of using AWS, that it is cost efficient. Companies using AWS use it because of this advantage only, that it is cost efficient for them. Okay, and according to the recent reports, AWS is spread into 170 countries. So guys, this was the introduction to AWS. In the next video, we are going to discuss about what is cloud computing, what are the basic components of cloud computing, and then what are the advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Okay? So let's meet up in the next video, guys. So till that time, stay tuned with us, subscribe our YouTube channel, like our video. So let's meet up in the next video.